Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In the last video we saw how to implement db-logger. This is the continuation of that video. If you haven't watched that, I have given linked in the description. There we have used ready-made library django-db-logger and it provides all basic functionalities. However, each project has a unique requirement and according to that you need to set up your logger. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize logger according to your requirement and it's super easy. Stay with me and make sure you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notification whenever I upload a video. Now let's start the video. My requirement here is first, I want to capture info of logged in user whenever an exception occurs. Second, I want search bar so I can type keywords and search for a particular log. 3. I have multiple modules in my application. There are few APIs which are related to student, few related to article blogs. So I want one category filter. When I click on student category, then all the logs for student will be listed down. Similarly, if there is another category named blog, then all the logs related to blogs would display there. So this is my short and sweet requirement. Now let's see how to fully fill it. The library I have installed for db-logger is django-db-logger. So let's locate the library in our project. Go to the project. Whenever you install any library, it will get stored in your environment. Locate your logger application and if you see carefully, this is nothing but a Django application. It has models.py, admin.py and if you open this file, you will see the code. Wow, this is models. We can add few columns as per our requirement. But wait, life is not that easy. If you uninstall and reinstall this library or you recreate the environment, then you will lose all these changes. So it's better we will create separate Django application, copy models.py and all required file in newly created application. So let me create a new application and I will name it as custom db-logger. Then I'll copy models.py, admin.py and db-logger handler.py file into our custom db-logger. Now I will paste here. First let me delete old files. Now I will paste here. Now my first requirement is capture a info of logged in user. So I'll create one column in models.py. I'll also add one more column for our custom category. Next thing is to have search box and filter on admin side. So let's go to the admin.py. And add filter custom category column in list filter. Also create one variable search field and add message and trace in it. Now let's solve some errors. django-db-logger admin list per page. It is imported from config.py and we don't have config.py here. So simply provide value here only. In file dblog handler.py we don't have these two values. Therefore I'll assign false value to this variable. And message style simple is not actually used here. So I'll remove it. Now very important thing. How to tell our Django project that use my custom db-logger and not the one I have installed before. For that go to settings.py of your project, add new custom logger and comment the old one. Then go to logger class, replace the old logger with your new custom db-logger. Now we are almost done. Let's migrate the database. New model under custom db-logger has created. Let me run the project and open admin panel. So this is our login database under custom db-logger application. Currently there are no logs. So I'll create some logs to show you search functionality. I'll call the function test API. Since this video is continuation of db-logger video, in that video I had created test API where I had called one info logger, one warning logger, one exception logger. By the way, here we can see only warning and exception has logged, but no info logger has inserted. That is because in the last video, while demonstrating logger functionality, I had changed logging level to warning. So warning, error, exception will get inserted, but no debug info logger will insert. When I type 0, only messages with word 0 will filter out. Let me go to the setting.py and make quick changes. Level from warning to info. Now I'll again hit the API and there is info log which has inserted in database. You can see the username and custom category is null here. So we need to write code to add currently logged in username and category here. Let's see how to do it. I'll go to my API. This is info log, this is warning log and this is exception log. This is db-log handler py which takes the logged information and save it in the database. So we have to add some extra parameters and read those parameters here and save in the database. I'll pass dictionary parameter named extra and in that dictionary add user is equal to request.user.username. So you will get the logged in user here and in case of no user logged in, there will be blank value. Next we'll add custom category. I'll add category A. We'll copy this code and paste here. We'll change the category. Now I have provided here required values. Let me go to the db-log handler and in record variable I'll get my user and custom category. Now let me run test API and check the db-logger. Here we can see name of logged in user and custom category. Also we can filter by category. Filter by category A, filter by category B. You will only see logs of category B. And this is the name of logged in user. So let me run this from incognito browser where I haven't logged in. Here you will see username is blank. Now there is one problem. Mandatory I need to pass all these values in dictionary, that is user and custom category. If I forgot to pass, then here it will throw an error that no user attribute is present in the record or no custom category attribute present in the record. Now let me call the API and my application broke. And the reason is log record object has no attribute user. So I need to add check here. If attribute, record and user. So if record has user attribute, then assign the value, otherwise initiate user as a blank string. And we will do similar thing for custom category. Now I am ready with my db-logger. I am just providing user but not providing custom category here. And let me call this API. And we are good with our values. Last but not the least, uninstall the django-db-logger since we have our own custom logger. So that's it for this video. Today we saw how to customize db-logger, add search fields and extra filter, and also insert extra values in database. I hope you found this video useful. If yes, then let me know. Leave your comments below, like the video, and I know you have already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye, see you soon.